Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable promotions notifications on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications and messages. Then you come to this list here. Then you click here on push notifications. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here. So you just keep going down here. Come here to from Robinhood. You come here to promotions. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.